8, 23, 21, and what do we have? The S&P 500 on the 60-minute chart that we do. And when we had made the lows over here is when we started buying call options on the S&P 500 index, and that we did. And they're propelling straight right up here at the top of that resistance channel right now. And that was a good play from the dip that we had. And once again, we have done this trade. It's been the same all year long. And what am I talking about? I have featured it and bought the calls every time you get to that 50-day moving average, slightly, just slightly above it. Every single time I have showed it and bought it right here, 50-day moving average. When we had the pullback, tested it, bam, new highs. Okay, back over here when we started this rally, that was on 618 right there when we had another little pullback to the 50-day and popped it up and made highs all the way up. And this is the power of the testing that 50-day. Buying the call options would net you out about 320% gain with that 3-day move. And not only that, we just did what? Don't tell me we made another what? Intraday 52-week high. 44.89 is a high. That high there was 44.80 here on 8/16, and then we had that pullback we said we were going to have, and we went down to that 50. We tested that baby. We rocked it up. Now we make another new high on low volume. So S&P 500, and remember, this is the intraday morning. Okay, markets still have another hour and a half to go, but we just made that monumental high. Now back to the 60, my friends, with that bull gap. That's a bull gap. Didn't look back, didn't test it, didn't do anything but stay strong all day. And once again, it's all about understanding the trend cycle, where it's going, how it's going to work, how you're going to catch that move, understanding the 50-day moving average, understanding the 16, how the breakouts work, all the way up, my friends. S&P 500, that bull is in full swing.